If you are a YouTuber and you make videos and upload them on YouTube, you are searching for how to add timestamps on YouTube videos. Timestamps or chapters in YouTube video help your viewers to watch specific part of their need. Timestamps helps them to seek that specific part of the video what they actually want to watch. Timestamps actually allow each viewer to watch your videos from where they require, and this will help you gain more audience. Because timestamping help your video to be searched the most. Without any further ado, let's get started. Edit a YouTube video in which you want to add timestamps or chapters. You might be familiar with this environment, title, and the description of your YouTube video. We will add timestamps in the description of this video below. Scroll down towards description. Add a space between the text to specify timestamps or chapters clearly. Start with the time 0 and indicated intro or introduction of the video. Enter a new line and add time where you start a specific time in your video and put a title ahead of it. Here is an example I have added, how to add timestamps. Enter a new line and repeat the process. Add one by one topic title with the time where it starts in your video and specify it correctly. When you are done, click on Save to make it publish. Let's try either it is working or not. Play the video from here. You can easily see that the seek bar has been divided into parts, showing timestamps or chapters that a user can easily identify to watch specifically. Scroll down to the description of this video. You can easily see that the timestamps are now converted as a link. Just tap on each timestamp to jump your video seek bar to the specific topic you want to watch. Seek bar will jump exactly to the time that you have mentioned for a topic to start from. Be very particular with this. Click on any of the video to watch more helpful content. If you want more content, please subscribe our channel.